RouteMagic offers data insights and deep analysis into your company reports, whether it's based on your customer, your driver, or the business as a whole. In this video, I'll be going over core reports, showing you the different report types, how to customize reporting so you can narrow down and streamline the data that you're looking at, and the sync between the ERP and the mobile app. So here we have the core reports page. You can break it down by 4 categories here, which are daily summary. You can see sales details, you can see the returns reports, or you can set up your own custom reports. And these here, if I click any one of them, you'll see, for example, the categories are broken down and automatically input by the system to show you sales details. So it's broken down by areas such as the date, the route, the customer, sales orders, van sales, and it shows it in the profit margins in the percentage. Up here, you can see that you can check and define the dates that you want to assess your company between. So if we put here from the 1st of June to the 1st of July, just check a month and we click update, you'll see it's now populated with all these sales details here. So we've got the route, order number, sales type, the products, sales, and all of this data here, such as the sales and return quantities. We've got the profit margins. Now, if you want to customize these reports, you simply click customize there, and you can take off as many or add on as many of these variables as you wish. So say you wanted to check against, let's say, the route and customers, and you wanted to check that just for sale orders. You simply click off these, check sale orders. Now this again is obviously shown between this month, between the 1st of June and the 1st of July. You then choose update, and it would break down the reports and show you all the data that you have put in and you have customized. So you can see it's broken down by the customer, listed across here, the route, the sales, and all this information such as returns and totals and profit margins are all available to you on this one simple screen. Now I'll show you another example. Say we wanted to locate, we wanted to break it down by the profitability based on products. We added rentals, returns, forward orders there, and we wanted to see a return percentage. Then click update, and it would bring you all this data analyzed based on the product being the variable there. See similar sort of information. We've got the sales, we've got the totals, the total profitability of each product, returns quantities, the VAT, all these totals along there. If I wanted to show you, for example, and I'll show you the sale reports. So if you go into sales details here, this one I'll change it, so you'll be in the customers and sales details. Okay, so say you wanted to change the dates, you wanted to check just maybe the last week. So we'll go from there to 30th of June. Close that down, and so we wanted to look at simply just the order types to see which order types have been most popular recently. Close sales order, that's fine. Show return, show profit margin and return possibly. You want to update, and it would show the order types and the profitability. So with these core reports, you basically get to have an in-depth insight in easily digestible data that's calculated by the system and drawn up for you as your drivers go along their routes and they make changes, they make deliveries, they upsell. Similarly to back office staff, as they make changes and they take orders, all of this data is it's brought together by the system automatically, and these reports are drawn out and provided to you. So you can really see where your business is headed, how it's been doing based on a number of different variables of your choice, which you can break down to see as many or as few as you want. Now, when the driver's using their device, at the end of the day, they can look over the reports that they've collected from each customer throughout the day, simply and easily. You can see there are the first level is payment reports. So for the account details are there, the customer, the cash collected, and you can print this off as well. Also, the type of payment made, whether it was cash, check, or by credit card. It's printable, so if you are using a portable printer, you can have a paper copy if that's the way you work. Moving back, we also have inventory reports here as well, which basically loads up all the stock that the driver had on their van at the beginning of the day, the beginning load, all the quantities, loaded quantities, unloaded, the sales made, any returns made, and then the end stock count as well. Again, you can print this. And third and finally, we have the site summary reports. So along here, you can see the account details as the customers, the delivery points, and any total amounts, costs that they've collected throughout the day.